Hi everyone. In this ultimate guide, I'll show you how to add music to Google Drive quickly and easily. Uploading your favorite tracks lets you access them from any device and share them with friends or collaborators. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account to get started. Having your music files organized beforehand will make the uploading process much smoother. Once you're signed in, look for the colorful New button on the left-hand side of the Google Drive homepage. Click it to open the menu, and then select File Upload. This option allows you to browse your computer for the music files you want to add. Next, the File Explorer window will appear. Navigate to the folders where your music is stored and select the files you want to upload. After selecting them, click Open, and Google Drive will start uploading your tracks. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom right of the screen so you can monitor the upload. Once your music is uploaded, you can play the files directly in Google Drive if the format is supported. You can also share them with others by right-clicking the file and entering their email addresses. This makes collaborative listening or sharing playlists easy and convenient, and that's it. With just a few simple steps, your favorite tunes are stored safely on Google Drive, ready to access from anywhere in the world. Uploading music has never been easier, and now you can enjoy your library anytime, anywhere.